Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about something that is in everyone's refrigerator. Well, ice cubes. You know, ice cubes have a lot of benefits. They make your skin glow. They make your skin radiant, and of course, they also boost your collagen production. So let's dive into the benefits of these ice cubes. There are so many ways to use ice for your skin. Here are a few of my favorites. For an extra nourishing shot, freeze your serums and gently massage them onto your face. Want to lock in the benefits of your face mask? Pop it in the freezer for a cooling, depuffing treatment. Combine the power of ice with the goodness of Multani Mitti for a DIY Ubtan that removes blemishes and controls oil. Aloe Vera is a natural hydrator. Freeze it in ice cube trays for a quick and easy way to soothe and moisturize your skin. A single ice cube can work wonders. Gently massage it all over your face, especially under your eyes, to help serums penetrate deeper. For a refreshing pick-me-up, take an ice-cold water facial bath. Dip your face in a bowl of cold water with ice cubes for a boost of hydration and a tightened appearance. While ice is great for your skin, remember, moderation is key. If you're going to keep the ice on your face for a longer period of time, always use a muslin cloth as a barrier. Direct contact with ice for too long can cause irritation or even headaches.